What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something very unique and very exclusive to the iPhone. This is ShiftCam Empowering Mobile Creativity, the SnapGrip Lite kit. If you're a mobile shooter and use an iPhone, this accessory is a must-have. It's a MagSafe compatible accessory, works with all iPhones, so it don't matter if you got the Pro or the regular one like I do. This thing is going to work just fine. The regular one creates some awesome content as well. But this is what we're looking at, the packaging right here. ShiftCam on here on the back. What's in the box? This is going to include the SnapGrip, the pouch, the snap light, and charging cable and magnetic stickers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and get a good look at what all of these products are. Nice unboxing here. So we do have the installation, basically instructions here, how to connect the quick start guide. I think you have to connect it, how to connect the MagSafe compatible iPhone. So basically anything from iPhone 12 all the way up to the newest iPhones, it's going to work just fine. You do put a little sticker on there, a magnetic sticker, probably for added support. And then connect the wireless shutter, so you can connect the wireless shutter and the snap light. But let's take a look at this. Bam! And look at this. And here's the sticker, I'm assuming. Yep. What else? You do have a SIM injection tool. Nice of them to provide that. I think that's all we have in here. And in this little box, we do have, just on the other side, there we go, the power cable, which is USB-A to Type-C, which is charging cable probably, and the case for the ShiftCam. Boom, look at that, very nice hard plastic. It's not hard plastic shell, but it's a hard case. Zippers are very nice. They're not weatherproof zippers, but they are nice and very fluid. You do have this pull tab right there. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy, and bam, you got a nice microfiber lining inside to protect it from getting damaged or not and all. But you do have the ShiftCam grip here, and what this is going to do is it's going to mimic as a camera. So when you're shooting with your iPhone and everything, you have a nice grip, and then you have a shutter button right here, so you can quickly press and access those pictures and capture those pictures. What I'm talking about, accessing the pictures, you can quickly capture the moments and memories or your content with either your taking pictures or shooting video. Or I think I turned this bad boy on already. So let's go ahead and pair this real quick, and it's just gonna pair just like a normal Bluetooth. See, it's connected already. So let's go ahead and you can scan that right there, that QR code. It's just going to take you to their website, actually. And there's a bunch of videos on how to get started, basically. But this thing absolutely looks and feels amazing. Let me see. Bam. You can see. Very nice. And then you have the snap light here. This thing is crazy good. You go to the camera, and then you can, and it just snapped the picture. You can see it works very, very fast. Oh, look at, who's that ugly mug? Get out of there. I'm gonna press the button, and you snap a picture. You see that? Boom, very good. As you can see, it snaps picture relatively super fast, which is awesome. I do not know what this button does. But you also have the light itself, and the light itself, does it come off? I think it does come off. And it does have its own USB Type-C right there, and it does, I think you have different modes here for the light. As you can see, it gets brighter. You can cycle through the, I don't want to directly face the camera, but it gets brighter. Great for nighttime shooting or anything. And this comes off. So you don't have to just use this on the phone itself. This thing attaches pretty good. You can put the sticker here for added support if you want. I think this will even work with a case. But the light itself, you can separate it from its own and use it on its own if you want to go ahead and just use the light. Or if you need to pull it away and put it somewhere, have it face you, you can kind of use it as a stand, have it reflect to you. You do have like this little mirror right here. You can kind of see yourself, which is pretty innovative. But if I get my case real quick here, this bad boy is going to work with the case. As you can see, very strong magnet, very good. It's going to work with the case. You got your ShiftCam right here. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Bam, put the ShiftCam on there. You got a light. You can shoot video. You can do whatever. You do have a little power indicator right there. It gives you your Bluetooth, your charging 100%. Oh, I think this is what it is. Exactly. So this tiny button right here is going to show you your percentage of the battery on this. Now you have to charge this and you have to charge the light separate. But you absolutely can. They're all Type-C. They're going to charge just fine. I think they are available in different colors. But this is just a quick overview of the SnapGrip. Think of the possibilities you can use this, man. This thing is absolutely fantastic. You can use it with the case. You can use it on any iPhone. You might be even able to use it on any MagSafe compatible device. Not quite sure. Let me see. I don't know if it'll pair to your Android phone, but Android phones are a little bit bigger, but it might. But absolutely fantastic product. If you're a mobile shooter and you shoot and create content with your iPhone, you most definitely need this in your arsenal. It does not get better than ShiftCam. The possibilities are endless. You can use this to attach this on the back of your phone for added support. As you can see, I have it right there. This bad boy is going to connect like so. It's just going to give you a more secure grip. Dude, this thing actually charges your phone too. I just noticed that. That is crazy. Wait. So the ShiftCam itself acts as a wireless charger. So it is actually powering your device while you're shooting or using it, as you can see. Wireless charging right there. Bam, dude. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It just keeps getting better and better and better. And you can attach this to something if you want more MagSafe capability. You can do that. The light itself attaches in the back. Very nice, versatile light. You can use it on the camera. You can use it off the camera if you're shooting yourself and you want to use it as a tripod, as a little tripod, so you can project light onto yourself. You can go ahead and do that. This thing is an absolutely beast, and it charges your iPhone wirelessly while using it. It does not get better than this. ShiftCam have outdone themselves, and I think the Apple Store might be carrying this light here soon in their store. So make sure you get ahead of that and make sure you go ahead and pick yourself up one of these, because once they hit the Apple store, you know they're going to be probably out of stock, because these things are freaking amazing. It doesn't get better than that. If you have any questions regarding this ShiftCam, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys can see yourself creating with this device. It's absolutely amazing. This is the SnapGrip, the Snap Lite, the case. Just think of the possibilities. I'm excited to see what other accessories ShiftCam's gonna come up with that can attach to this platform right here. Super amazing. Obviously, we have the light. I want to see what else we can come up with that they can attach this. If you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. Okay, real quick, I figured this out right after I made the video. So this SIM ejection tool is to reset this in case you want to repair it. You do have the Type-C charging down there. You just sit in here and it will reset the device, and you can repair it with a different device. Now, this right here is for non-iPhone phones, like any Android, Samsung Galaxy. You can go ahead and stick it to your phone, and this would automatically connect to it, and you'll be able to use the ShiftCam as well with other devices, not only iPhone, as I kind of predicted. So it will connect via Bluetooth, so which is absolutely fantastic. So not only does it work with iPhone, it also works with your Android smartphones, which is a added bonus, because if you do have two like I do, you can use it either or. Bam, it doesn't get better than that. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.